Transportation Office LTO na matapos ang backlog nilang plaka ng sasakyan at driver's license sa susunod na taon. Tabang ito sa pagdinig ng Kamara sa 214 billion pesos na budget na hiniling ng Department of Transportation para sa 2024. May unang balita si Oscar Oida.
Para tuluyang makaarangkada at huwag madiskaril ang pagdevelop ng bago at dati ng mga riles sa bansa. Higit sa doble ng budget noong nakaraang taon ang hinihingi ng Transportation Department para sa susunod na taon. Sa mga railway project daw mapupunta ang malaking bahagi ng budget. Pero ang mga mag-aaproban niyan sa Kamara, inusisa muna paano ang ibang mga ginastusan ng kagawaran. Kabilang dyan ang backlog ng mga plaka ng sasakyan at driver's license.
But sa plates, tuloy-tuloy po yan ang delivery ng plates sa amin and we do the production. We just have limited district offices and extension offices. So we're working with what the manpower that we have in order to be able to distribute these plates at the quickest possible time.
Target daw nilang mabura ang backlog sa susunod na taon.
By the first quarter of the year, we would have already removed the backlog as far as four-wheeled vehicles are concerned. Sa motorcycle po, it's 1 year, 7 months.
Nagka-delay din sa pag-i-issue ng mga plastic driver's license dahil sa utos ng korte.
Sa driver's license po, if the TRO is lifted, in 4 months' time, we would have already erased the backlog.
Inungkat naman ng isang mambabatas mula Mindanao ang kaugnay sa pondo ng Lagindingan Airport.
Are we that lowly in Mindanao that we will not be given the opportunity same as we're given to the other airports in the islands or in the country, Madam Chair? Are we still gonna be treated as second-class citizens?
We should be able to fast track. We do hope that to finalize these negotiations and go back to NEDA for the final approval. And we are hopeful that we can reach before the end of the year 60 days by which any party can match the.
Kawawa naman kami, Madam Chair.
That's these
Container
are
ban kami?
no, that we have done this for other
Airport
airports.
namin, container ban, Madam Chair.
No, Congressman Emano, if you
Do you
can,
by design?
it is under design by CAAP.
Pangako na naman to. For your budget, Madam Chair, for their budget to be deferred. That's unfair.
Ito ang unang balita, Oscar Oida para sa GMA Integrated News.
Igan, mauna ka sa mga balita. Mag-subscribe sa GMA Integrated News sa YouTube. Sa mga kapuso abroad, subaybayan nyo kami sa GMA Pinoy TV at sa www.gmanews.tv.